know what's funny? When you start thinking about building things yourself, furniture, houses, entire systems, you suddenly realize how fragile modern life really is. Everything works only as long as civilization works. Electricity, supply chains, materials, it's all connected. That's why I want to show you this book. The book, How to Rebuild Civilization. It's not a doomsday fantasy. It's a practical, grounded blueprint for humanity. Step by step, it breaks down how we could rebuild the world from scratch. Tools, materials, construction, energy, food, engineering, all the fundamentals. If you enjoy woodworking, building, or making things with your hands, this book just hits differently. It makes you appreciate how much knowledge goes into even the simplest objects around us. And the illustrations? They're incredibly detailed. Like a manual you'd actually want to keep on your shelf forever. If this sounds interesting, scan the QR code on screen or check the link in the description. Use my promo code EasyMake10 to get a discount on the book. It's one of those things that makes you think, not just about how we build things, but why.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. If you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.